Hello, welcome to this amazing maths Olympiad problem. So, do you know how to find the value of b? So, welcome as we work it out together. So, let's start with the solution. So, on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you're having. So, we are having 4 to the power of b minus 1 is equals to 40. So, in this case now we are asked to find the value of b. So, in this here, 40 is a whole number. Then here 4 is a base, b minus 1 is an index. It is impossible for us to convert 40 to the base of 4. So let's now introduce the logs from both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of b minus 1 is equals to the log of 40. So from there now we shall now find, or we shall now rewrite the log of 4 to the power of b minus 1. Suppose we have something like the log of b to the power of m. So this one can also be written as m log b. So in this case, the log of 4 to the power of b minus 1, we shall now have b minus 1. So b minus 1, the log 4, is equals to the log of 40. So from this side now, for us to remain with b minus 1, we shall divide both sides by the log of 4. So here also by the log of 4. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. So now our b minus 1, so b minus 1 is equals to the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So in this case, when you're now given this expression, we can now simplify it further by now rewriting the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So still our b minus 1 shall remain. B minus 1 is equals to, so the log of 40 can also be expressed as the log of 4 multiplied by 10. Then into bracket all over, now we shall now have the log of 4. So suppose we have something like the log of ab. So this one we can also rewrite by having the log of a now again plus the log of b. So it means that the log of 4 multiplied by 10 shall change. So we shall now have b minus 1. So now our b minus 1 is equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 10 now. The log of 10. Then this one all over this, the log of 4. So in this case now we shall now say that, so our b minus 1 in this case is equals to, so let's now split the equation by saying the log of 4 all over. So we shall also divide the log of 4 by both sides, plus now the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So in this case now our b minus 1, so here b minus 1 is equals to, so the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel, so now we shall remain with 1 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So we can still not leave this mathematics this way. So we shall now say that our b minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 10 can also be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 5. So all over the log of 4. So b minus 1, so b minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so this one we shall also have the log of 2 plus the log of 5 all over. So we can rewrite the log of 4 by having the log of 2 to the power of 2. So here now b minus 1 in this case, so b minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so now we shall have the log of 2 all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 2, we shall now have 2 log 2, then plus the log of 5 all over 2 log 2. So b minus 1 is equals to, so we shall still have b minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so in this case the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel out. So now we shall have 1 plus 1 over 2 plus, here now shall still have 1 over 2, then the log of 5 all over the log of 2. So the reason is here is 1 plus log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel each other, so we shall have 1 half plus, here now I have the log of 5 all over the log of 2. So assume we have something like the log of a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of, so we shall have the log of a to the base of b. So let's now change the log of 5 all over the log of 2 into the form of the log of a to the base of b. So here now b minus 1 is equals to, so 1 plus a half, we shall now have 3 over 2, then plus, here now we shall have 1 over 2. So in this case now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 2. So finally, our value for b, so our b in this case shall now stands to be, so 3 over 2 plus, so here now we shall have 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So because here we shall have, we were having minus 1, so in cross the equal sign we shall have now plus 1. So we can still have it this way by saying that this one now shall be our value for b. So if we really worked it out and you got this one as the correct answer, thumbs up, we did it the correct way. So let's confirm it very fast. So this one was our maths problem. So our maths problem was 4 to the power of b minus 1 is equals to 40. So we shall now write, instead of writing b, we shall all write this value. So now we shall now have 4 here, so to the power of b, so 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 plus 1, then don't forget minus 1 there, is equals to 40. So we can still write this maths problem by now saying that here now we shall have 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2, then 1 minus 1 is 0, so is equals to 40. So in this case now we shall have to multiply this 4 to the power of 3 over 2. So let's now change it into an index number. So 4 we shall now have 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of again 3 over 2, then plus a half, then the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 40. So we shall now have to multiply 2 and 2 over, so we shall now have 2 to the power of 2, then now we shall have 3 over 2. So the plus shall now change to the multiplication, so we shall still have 2 again to the power of 2, then in this case now we shall have a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 40. So let's now work it out. So 2 here, 2 here, so 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is now 2 multiplied by 2, that is, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So all these ones now shall add up to, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So in this case now we shall have 8 multiplied by, so here now 2 and 2 shall cancel. So the log to the base of 2 shall cancel these 2. Now we are remaining with 5. So now we shall have 8 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 40. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So now 40 is equals to 40. So means that we are very correct when we conclude by saying that our value for this case, so our value for x, oh sorry, our value for b, not really x, so our value for b is equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2 plus 1. So if you really enjoyed how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.